again, filling voids. We're not trying to replicate anything at scale. We're not naive about the size of the federal government. It's not a shadow CDC we're creating, but it's a shield to what's going on. And it's a way of answering the question of, instead of having indignation, it's about leading with innovation. It's about fundamentally being held to a higher level of accountability at a critical and important time in our nation's history. And I'll close on this. As a parent, I mean, we're standing with nurses, we're standing with doctors, we're standing with physicians, we're standing with the scientists, and we're standing up for patients. That's what this is all about. And we're trying to just cut through all the BS that's going on in Washington, D.C., and the vandalism and the wrecking ball on truth and trust that is occurring in real time. Evidence-based, science-backed, with humility and grace. Again, it's about the best available science, and it's always about looking back and how can we do more, how can we be better, and so we'll bring that to this cause as well.
And the off-topic one is, can you expand upon your feelings about Rob Reiner and his impact on California, on politics, on the Democratic Party, and your relationship with him?
Well, just on that, because you hit my heartstrings. I was on a Zoom with the Reiners just a few weeks back, and had this wonderful conversation comparing notes, and was just reminded about how consistent they've been, how constant they've been in the cause of not just protecting democracy, but promoting well-being, social justice, racial justice, economic justice. When Alex, I was out there feeling a little alone doing same-sex marriage in 2004. It was Rob who reached out. It's how I got to know him, saying he had my back at a time when a lot of members of my own party, the Democratic Party, didn't. And so he's been a friend for decades. And he's actually was their co-host on an event that I'm doing later this week. So it just breaks my heart. And I don't know enough. We don't know enough. But if, indeed, an own member of their own family, how do you unpack that? And, that just hits home in every way, shape, or form in terms of, again, what we're even fighting for here today. And just trying to continue to lead by example. But anyway, my heart goes out to his family and this terrible tragedy. As it relates to this